People, you don't need to teach the law of assumption. The law of assumption says what it says to you. You want me to teach you the law of assumption right now? Let me teach you the law of assumption right now. And let me make it so simple for you that you don't have to go buy a whole bunch of books. You don't have to watch anything on a law of assumption. Let me tell you something. If you're watching anything on law of assumption, you're basically getting played. Drum roll time. Let's go to drum roll, because this is going to open a lot of people's eyes now when they learn about science manifesting. Here we go. How are you getting played watching the law of assumption? You should only, what I'm going to tell you right now about the law of assumption, that's all you ever need to know. If you're going to watch anything else on the law of assumption, you're getting played. It's a string. They'll just keep repeating and telling you something that you already know is going to confuse you. So here we go. Drum roll time, Mark. Let's open up the minds of these high manifestors so they can see how reality works. Here we go. Boom. Here is what the law of assumption is. You ready? Write this down. Let's go to the word assume. Okay. It's Sunday. Let me ask you a question. Do you assume tomorrow will be Monday? Answer below. Go ahead, answer below, please. Do you assume tomorrow is Monday? Okay. All right. Yes. Okay. Do you assume in a few hours you're going to do what the thing you're supposed to do? Okay. Is that a yes? Okay. Yes. Do you assume tonight when the sun goes down you're going to see the moon? Oh, is that that's assume, right? Okay. So the law of assumption is whatever you assume can come into your world. That's all you need to know. That's it. You make assumptions every day. It's not difficult, my friends. Hey, do you assume that you're going to win a lottery jackpot? Okay. Listen, do you assume that one day you're going to get thirsty and drink some water? I bet you do. Do you assume that when you look outside, you're going to see leaves on a tree? I bet you do that too. You do a lot of assumptions, right? So what is the law of assumption that people keep talking about, that you have to teach it? What is there to teach about assuming what you want to come in? And can someone answer me that, please? Now, let me teach you something that you do need to know, and you do need to practice, and you do need to watch it repetitively so that you can change your life. Now, this is something that you definitely have to study and watch a lot of this stuff. And here it is. It is about how you perceive the world, how you create a map of reality, how your subconscious mind works, how your conscious mind works, and what are the blocks that are preventing you from achieving your goals. Those are definitely things that you need to learn and practice, because without the knowledge of any of those things, nothing will come into your life the way you want it to. That's what you got to learn. So I just gave you the law of assumption in a nutshell. If you're going any further, you're over criticalizing it, and you're going to create resistance, because it is really simple. If you assume you are a winner and you're taking the necessary steps to make you a winner, you shall become a winner. If you're assuming you're going to get thirsty and you're taking the necessary steps to quench your thirst, and what are the necessary steps? Here's the necessary steps. Get a bottle of water, have a cup in your kitchen, because you know you're going to get thirsty. I'm going to get thirsty. Here's my bottle of water. What I do? I just did my law of assumption. I manifested it. That's how it works. So don't go busting your mind with anything else. You got that? Yes. So basically, just get your mind, consciousness right with what you desire. Prepare for what you desire. Have the tools ready for what you desire, and you shall have it.